Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are designed to enhance the playing experience for pickleball enthusiasts, offering a choice between the Halo Pro and Halo Control models, each tailored to different playing styles. Both paddles feature a carbon fiber face, which is known for its lightweight properties and excellent durability. This material enhances the paddle's responsiveness, allowing for more powerful shots and better spin on the ball. The Halo Pro model focuses on delivering superior power and spin, making it ideal for players who prefer aggressive playstyles. It incorporates a RevCore power polymer core, which helps in absorbing impact and reducing vibrations, resulting in a softer feel and greater ball control. This model is well suited for players who prioritize hitting powerful shots and need a paddle that can generate spin with each stroke. The paddle's surface and core design contribute to its ability to deliver precise, spin-friendly shots, allowing for more control at the net and in fast exchanges. On the other hand, the Halo Control paddle is designed for players who emphasize consistency and precision in their game. It utilizes the same RevCore power polymer core but features a different carbon fiber surface designed for greater touch and feel. The Halo Control offers a softer feel on contact, which enhances accuracy in placement shots and finesse play. This paddle is particularly well suited for players who enjoy dinking, drop shots, and playing at the net, where precision and touch are key. Both paddles incorporate a textured surface for enhanced spin capabilities, allowing players to generate more spin with less effort. The design also helps improve shot consistency, reducing the margin for error during gameplay. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are lightweight and well-balanced, making them easy to maneuver for players of all skill levels. The combination of the carbon fiber face and RevCore power polymer core ensures that players can achieve a good blend of power, spin, and control, making these paddles a versatile choice for anyone looking to improve their pickleball game. Number 2. The Pickleball Paddles USAPA approved set offers a comprehensive package for players of all skill levels, featuring high-quality fiberglass surface paddles designed for both men and women. The set includes multiple paddles, each constructed with a fiberglass surface for enhanced durability and performance. Fiberglass is known for its lightweight yet strong properties, providing a good balance between power and control, making these paddles suitable for various playing styles. The set is USAPA approved, meaning it meets the standards and requirements set by the United States Pickleball Association, ensuring that the paddles are suitable for both recreational play and competitive tournaments. This approval guarantees a level of quality and consistency in performance, making the paddles a reliable choice for serious players as well as beginners. Each paddle in the set features a comfortable, ergonomic handle that is designed to reduce strain during play. The handles are typically coated with a non-slip grip material, which helps players maintain a secure hold, even during intense rallies. This design element is especially beneficial for players who play extended games or have a tendency to grip the paddle tightly. The set includes a variety of paddles, allowing players to choose one that suits their playing style. Whether it's for fast-paced, aggressive shots or more controlled, finesse-oriented play, these paddles offer versatility. The lightweight nature of the paddles makes them easy to handle, particularly for quick reactions at the net or during dinks and drop shots. Additionally, the set may come with balls, carrying cases, or other accessories, providing a complete package for those new to the sport or looking to upgrade their equipment. Overall, the USAPA-approved fiberglass surface pickleball paddles set is an excellent choice for both men and women, offering a combination of durability, performance, and comfort. Its inclusion in the USAPA-approved list ensures that players can confidently use these paddles in sanctioned events, while their versatile design caters to a wide range of playing styles, making them a valuable addition to any pickleball enthusiast's equipment lineup. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers a comprehensive package for pickleball players, featuring 2 high-quality graphite paddles, 3 pickleball balls, and a convenient carrying bag. This bundle is designed to provide players with everything they need to get started in the sport or enhance their existing equipment. Each paddle in the bundle features a G4 graphite face, which is known for its lightweight and durable properties. The graphite construction enhances the paddle's responsiveness, allowing for quick, powerful shots and improved ball control. The G4 Graphite face provides excellent touch and feel, making it suitable for players who prefer finesse play, such as dinking and drop shots. It also offers excellent vibration dampening, reducing the impact on the player's hand during play and contributing to a softer feel on contact with the ball. The RevCore technology incorporated into the paddles is another standout feature. This polymer core helps absorb impact and improves the paddle's stability and power. It also enhances the paddle's sweet spot, allowing for better accuracy and consistency on every shot. The combination of the G4 Graphite face and RevCore core provides a good balance of power, spin, and control, making these paddles versatile enough for players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced players. The bundle includes 3 high-performance pickleballs, which complement the paddle's features and allow players to practice right out of the box. These balls are durable and suitable for a variety of playing conditions, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor play. Additionally, the included carrying bag provides a convenient way to transport the equipment to the court, keeping everything organized and protected. Overall, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers an excellent value with its combination of premium paddles, quality balls, and a practical bag. Its advanced materials and thoughtful design cater to the needs of players looking to improve their game, whether they are just starting out or are more experienced. The bundle is a complete solution for those looking to invest in high-quality pickleball gear. Number 4. The Onx Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddles offer a high-performance option for players seeking a blend of power, control, and comfort. These paddles are constructed with a graphite carbon fiber face, which provides a lightweight yet durable surface, enhancing both the power and precision of each shot. The graphite material not only makes the paddles strong and resilient but also contributes to a softer touch, allowing for greater ball control during play. This makes them suitable for a variety of playing styles, from aggressive, power-driven shots to more finesse-oriented play such as dinks and drop shots. One of the standout features of the Onx Graphite Mod Z5 paddles is their innovative cushion comfort grip. This grip is designed to absorb shock and reduce vibrations, providing a more comfortable feel in the player's hand. The cushion material not only minimizes discomfort during play but also helps in improving shot accuracy by allowing players to maintain a relaxed grip on the paddle. The ergonomic handle design fits comfortably in hand, reducing strain during long matches and enhancing overall control. The Mod Z5 paddles incorporate a unique polymer core known as power spin technology. This core material enhances the paddle's responsiveness and helps generate more spin on the ball. The power spin technology works by providing a softer surface upon impact, which allows players to get under the ball more easily, resulting in sharper angles and deeper spins. This feature makes the Onx Graphite Mod Z5 paddles ideal for players who emphasize spin and need a paddle that can deliver consistent results. Additionally, these paddles are USAPA approved, making them suitable for both recreational play and competitive tournaments. The Onx Graphite Mod Z5 pickleball paddles combine premium materials with thoughtful design, offering a balance of power, spin, and comfort. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced player, these paddles provide the versatility and performance needed to excel on the court, making them a valuable addition to any pickleball player's equipment lineup. Number 5. The Jola Essentials pickleball paddles offer a solid entry into the sport of pickleball with features designed to provide a good balance of performance, durability, and affordability. These paddles are constructed with a reinforced fiberglass surface, which is known for its durability and responsiveness. The fiberglass material enhances the paddle's strength, allowing for powerful shots and a more consistent feel on the ball. It also offers good control, making these paddles suitable for both beginners and intermediate players looking to develop their skills. One of the key features of the Jola Essentials paddles is their honeycomb polypropylene core. This core material is engineered to provide excellent vibration dampening and a softer feel on impact. It helps absorb shock, reducing hand fatigue and providing a comfortable playing experience. The honeycomb design of the core also contributes to a larger sweet spot, enhancing shot accuracy and consistency. This combination of a fiberglass face and a honeycomb core makes these paddles versatile, suitable for a wide range of playing styles, from aggressive players who like to hit powerful shots to those who prefer more finesse play such as dinks and drop shots. The Jola Essentials paddles are USAPA approved, which means they meet the standards set by the United States Pickleball Association for use in sanctioned tournaments. This approval ensures that the paddles are suitable for competitive play, providing a level of confidence to players who plan to compete. The paddles are also lightweight, making them easy to maneuver, especially at the net, and reducing strain during long games. Their ergonomic handle design fits comfortably in the hand, further enhancing control and comfort during play. Overall, the Jola Essentials pickleball paddles offer a great value for players looking for a reliable and well-rounded paddle set. The combination of a reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb polypropylene core, and thoughtful design elements such as a comfortable grip and larger sweet spot make these paddles an excellent choice for anyone new to the sport or looking to upgrade their equipment. Whether for casual play or more serious competition, the Jola Essentials paddles provide a blend of power, control, and comfort, making them a versatile addition to any pickleball player's gear.